Hello everyone, this is David and Blani, and now that we have the Winter Wonderland, we decided to start a new challenge called the Frozen Pants Challenge. Thanks to the wonderful people of Minnesota for the idea. This is a new thing for the 2016 winter. Now that the Northeast has joined on the blizzard of the century, we can do this, and of course we decided to have some fun. And well, these are our frozen pants. I should step this way so you guys can see them.
Wait, let's switch
Ta-da.
pants.
We would like to challenge Jonathan Barbie, because he's the most funny or die person we know. And John, I think you will do this, and you will probably come up with your own twist on the idea. Maybe you'll freeze the entire
Oh
outfit,
no, they're falling.
or maybe your hair, or you'll definitely. Why did you move them?
Fix them!
Who else are we challenging?
We're challenging Jonathan and who else? I don't know. What'd you say? Rory and Mark.
We are also challenging Rory and Mark Lawrence, our dear friends, because you guys are fun and I think you'll do it. And we're also challenging
Karen Jacot.
Karen. You already live in an area that's easy to freeze. It's easy to freezy pants.
It's easy to freeze your pants off.
So just do it. It's fun. And post your video and tag us in it.